help me. Wow. I feel like this is the worst idea I've ever had in my entire life. Hey guys, how are you? It's Lindy and welcome to a new video. Oh. Papi is sleeping and I'm waking him up. My hair is wet right now because I just washed it like 7 times because I'm trying to get the silver shampoo out of my hair because my hair is like 8 different colors right now and it's kind of weird. But you know, my skin is gonna be 8 different colors as well, so I guess it works out in the end. In today's video, I'm going to do something that I'm actually scared of doing, which is weird because it's not a scary thing at all. But for me it is. Because in today's video, I'm going to give myself a fake tan for the first time in my life ever. I mean, as you can see, I am a very pale person. I have a lot of ginger blood going through my veins. So I don't tan very easily. And with very easily, I mean, I almost don't tan at all. Whenever I step into the sun, I just instantly burn. So I try to avoid the sun at all costs. So I've never really had a tan. I mean, I have a tan right now. This is literally me on my darkest I've ever been. Like, I've never been darker than this. And it's still pretty pale. So I went ahead and bought myself some tanning mousse. And this is in the color dark. Because, you know, if I'm going to do it, I'm going to do it right. I literally bought this about 3 months ago, but I've just been too scared to put it on my body. So it's been laying here for 3 months. But today I'm finally going to do it. I'm going to give myself a tan and I'm going to know what it's like to be a bronzed goddess. Because I have no idea what that feels like. Like, no idea at all. So if you're interested in seeing me turn into a carrot, then please keep on watching! Welcome to my bathroom, where shit is gonna be lit. I got my tanning mousse over here, and I also bought one of these because apparently you have to use this. First things first, I'm going to read the instructions because I have literally no idea how you're supposed to use this. I mean, I know you're supposed to put it on your body, but that's like all I know. Shake well before use and then apply a small amount of mousse evenly with applicator mitt in a circular motion onto the body and face. The tan will develop over 1 to 6 hours. 6 hours, oh my god. During this time, avoid any contact with water, perspiring, sweating, I guess, or applying any other products to the skin. Okay, I think the sweating thing is gonna be a problem because I'm already like sweating my balls off right now. So, gonna turn out cute! Yeah! Let's get started! Woo! Oh my god. Oh my god! Do you see that? You already see the difference. What? Okay, next leg. It honestly looks so weird. I already look so tan. Okay, so my legs are done and they look so weird. What? No, this is not who I am. This is weird. Also, I'm getting all these like black dots on my legs and I'm not sure if this is like supposed to happen, but it definitely, like, it doesn't look good at all. So hopefully that's gonna rinse off, but I'm pretty sure it's gonna stay like this for at least a month. Okay, let's do my arms. It also said on the packaging that it could stain light hairs, and I have like a lot of light hairs on my arms. I'm pretty sure I can see that. Oh no! My light hairs are turning dark brown. Okay. Okay, arms are done as well. And look at the difference. It's crazy! It's crazy! Okay, let's do my stomach now. Whoop, whoop. Mood. Stomach is also done, and I kinda need to do my back as well. And I don't know how you're like supposed to do that, because I can't really reach everything. Let me just... I don't know. Can you guys help me out? Because I can't see it. Oh, I think it's fine. I don't know. I'm not gonna see it anyway, so I don't really care that much. Okay, onto my chest area. And I also need to do my neck. Oh my. Oh no, I can already feel this is gonna turn out horrible. Oh my god. Oh god. There's like a square on my back. Pablo! Come help me with my self-tan. I can't do this on my own. I look so crazy right now. Hey y'all! Okay, I'm gonna try and do my face, but I'm not sure if you're like supposed to do it with this. And I'm also really afraid of touching my hair. So I'm gonna do it real careful. Oh my god. Help me. I feel like this is the worst idea I've ever had in my entire life. Ah, my teeth look white though. Gee. Okay, so my entire body is covered in self-tan except for this square on my back. So yeah, that looks cute. But there's just one thing that I want to do before I'm going to let it sit. And that is something that I saw when like the contour trend was like at its peak. And that is people who made abs with self-tanner. So you get like your summer body within a few seconds. So I'm gonna try to give myself some abs and see what it looks like. So I'm gonna brush and my self-tanner and I'm going to draw on some beautiful abs that I worked really hard for. And by really hard I mean I bought this and put it on my body. Okay, let's see. Oh bitch, look at my abs. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Also look at my face. What have I done? Oh my god. Okay, so I'm going to let this sit for about 4 hours, I think, and then I'm going to rinse it off. Oh my god, my hands. Ooh. What have I done? What? Oh god. Okay, look, I don't know, like, what are you supposed to do right now? I mean, I have to wait a few more hours, and I'm afraid to sit on anything. I'm actually also afraid to walk on my floor because my floor is white. Like, what do people do when they self-tan? Like, do they just like stand up for a few hours and then wait for it to dry? I'm so confused. I don't... This is so bad. This is so bad. Okay, it has been on my body for like an hour now and I already feel like it's really dark. But look how bad it looks. Oh my god, like I literally have a mustache right now. Am I no? Oh no. Also, okay, see the mirror. You have to look at my back.
Oh, no, no, no,
Oh,
no.
no. Oh, Also, I am still afraid to sit down on anything, so I've been standing for the last hour. I went to the toilet, and when I stood up, the entire toilet seat was like brown. And not because of that, because of my tan, okay? So I don't think I'm gonna leave this off for 4 hours. I think I'm gonna take it off in like 1 hour. So 2 hours in total, maybe 3, let's see. Also, look at my abs. Okay, it has been 2 hours and I already look like tanning mom right now. So I think I'm just gonna wash it off because I really do not want to know what this is gonna look like if I leave it on for like 4 hours longer. I don't know how this works. Like, is it gonna stay this color? Am I gonna be lighter or am I gonna be darker? I don't know, but I do know that I put way too much on my face because this is not what. Also, my abs are looking very realistic. Like, I don't think anyone can tell that these are drawn on, right? Okay, yeah, I'm going to rinse it off. So let's just do that right now and hope for the best. Wow. Ew, the water is turning brown. Ew, ow, my eyes. Okay, sorry. Oh! So I washed it off, and as you can see, it actually turned out pretty good, right? Okay, so I'm editing the video right now, and that shit doesn't look good, like, at all. Wait, let me zoom you guys in a little bit. I have never looked like this before in my life. Like, this is such a weird color for me. Like, I don't know what's going on. Look at my back though. I don't know if you can see it. Okay, my back doesn't look that good, okay. I am a bronzed goddess right now. Woo! The only sad thing is that my abs just disappeared. Like, I don't know where they went. They're just gone. Which is sad because they look so natural. I still have like a white line on my forehead though. Look. But if I just do my hair like this, no one is gonna notice, right? So yeah guys, this was a video of me giving myself a fake tan for the first time in my life ever. And honestly, I'm actually like pleasantly surprised. Because I thought that I would absolutely hate how it looks, but I kind of love it. It's kind of like, I feel like I look so healthy right now. I'm like a total different person. I'm like, hey y'all. But it does look kind of fake though, right? Like, it doesn't really look like a natural tan. But you know, I don't care. I think it's cute. I love it. So yeah guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know in the comment section down below what you think of my tan. Do you like it or do you think I look weird? Because I do kind of feel like it looks weird on me though, but I still like it. So yeah, please don't forget to follow me in my Insta. Please don't forget to follow me on Instagram if you don't follow me yet. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel if you haven't subscribed yet. And I really want to see you in my next video. Bye! Okay guys, it is the next day. And oh my god, girl. Look how orange you look, girl. I look so orange. I don't know what happened. I don't, what? Oh no, and look this. Look at the difference between my forehead here and there. Oh. By the way, if you're wondering what my back looks like right now, let me show you guys. I think I'm just gonna bathe in a tub full of acid and hope that I will dissolve all the fake tan because I look ridiculous. Okay, I don't think I'll be doing this again. Oh no. What have I done?